Hello, it's been so long since I've made a video, but I wanted to come back and share with you guys the process of cleaning my fiance's house. So my fiance moved in here about 3 years ago, maybe a little bit more. And prior to him moving in, the owners didn't do probably a great job of cleaning the house. And so there was a lot of grime built up over the years, and he hadn't done much about it. And so now that your girl is moving in, I'm working on cleaning all the nooks and crannies of this place, including the tile grout. So in this video, I just wanted to show you the nice tool that I bought on Amazon, talk about the other methods I've tried to clean the grout in the past, and yeah, just do a little before and after. So this is kind of a close-up on my fiance's tile. I don't want to show you all of it because I've already started working on some of it and you can see the after. But if you look closely, the tile here is just very, well, the grout specifically is like very grimy and just filled with a lot of dirt. I don't know if these kind of like orange spots, I don't even know what those are from, if those are gonna come out, but we're gonna try it. Just from having a dog and you know, whatever else the previous owners had in here, this tile is just very, very filthy. So let me show you the tool I bought on Amazon that has already started working on other parts of the house. So this little guy is essentially just a pressurized steamer. The tool comes with everything you see plus some additional attachments. What I have on here right now is basically just this little wand attachment at the end. It's really kind of dirty because I've already used it a whole bunch. It clips into this other like really long attachment, which is nice for kind of ergonomic purposes. And then right here at the top is the handle and the steam trigger. And then this already comes pre-assembled, but right here is the kind of the pressurizer or the pressure unit. So it's very simple. There's just this kind of green power button. So after you plug it in, you press the power button. On top, there's like this little ergonomic handle so you can pick it up and move it around. But another nice feature about it is it kind of rolls with you. So you don't have to worry about like picking it up and repositioning it every time you want to move it. And then right here is where you pour the water in. So I think it took us about 10 to 15 minutes. The very first time we used this for the water to be pressurized, we poured in about, I think it was 4 cups of water. The max capacity of this unit is about 1,200 milliliters, and it advises like not to overfill this. After about 15 minutes, this thing was ready to go. The light turned from orange to green, and then we were able to start steaming the grout. Very simple, and now I'll do a little demo. Another thing I just wanted to say was this thing cost about $160. However, other methods I've tried that didn't involve purchasing one of these units included scrubbing the floor with a mix of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, which is a tip I got from my mom. And after doing that in our kitchen for about a few days or so and being on my hands and knees, that just got to be too much. And so I decided I wanted to look into steaming the floors. This steamer was my first attempt after a little bit of research online at finding a device that would do so. And so far it's been successful. So one downside of this unit is that it is very loud, but I'm basically just gonna pull the trigger and then we're gonna go over each line and just kind of continuously scrub like this. After finished, I will show you the after. I just kind of did my first pass here, but I just want to point out the fact, I guess I missed a few spots, but the 2 like big orange spots immediately went away. So I need to touch up and get some of these other like marks gone, but already it's like so, I don't know if it picks it up on camera, but it's so much visibly cleaner. There's another little orange spot, but oh my gosh, it's so much better. I have been staring at those orange stains on his tile for literally 2.5 years. There's some more right here that I'll get to in a second, but oh my gosh, I cannot believe those are finally gone. I've literally used every cleaner under the sun and I have never been able to get those off. This is incredible. Another thing I just want to say, just a quick tip, is immediately after doing like a few lines of grout, it's really good to go in and kind of mop up the dirty water because there will be kind of dirty water pooling up on the sides of your tile. Good to wipe that up once you've done like a few rounds because after a while the dirty water will just flood back into the crack of the grout and just kind of look the way it did prior to you steaming it. So I've just been kind of like wiping up after each little square has been finished steaming. Okay, so you just saw me do a little bit of the grout, and right away the grout still kind of looks darker than it does when it dries. So I just wanted to show you guys what the tile looks like after it dries because it looks immaculate, immaculate. Okay, here we go. Look at how white and clean and amazing this dried steamed grout looks. It's almost like the same color as the tile now. Just so much better, guys. It really, this thing makes my life so much easier. I don't have to like scrub on my hands and my knees using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide that leaves residue. I would definitely recommend this device if you don't want to pay someone to come and clean your grout and you want to put in a little bit of elbow grease yourself. So that's all I had to share today. There are going to be a whole lot more home improvement projects on their way, probably later this year, next year, and for this foreseeable future. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement projects. Thanks, bye.